Smell a rat.
Feel that something is wrong.
How come the front door is open? Didn't you close it before we went shopping?
I'm sure I did. I can't understand it.
Frankly, I smell a rat.
Me too. I'm convinced that something is definitely wrong here.
We'd better call the police. Go to the dogs.
Become run down. Have you seen their house lately? It's really gone to the dogs.
It's true that it has become run down and in serious need of repair, but I'm sure that it can be fixed up to look like new.
I guess with a little carpentry work and some paint, it could look pretty decent.
Fishy.
Strange and suspicious. When the security guard saw a light in the store after closing hours, it seemed to him that there was something fishy going on. He called the central office and explained to his superior that he thought something strange and suspicious was occurring.
Take the bull by the horns.
Take decisive action in a difficult situation. Julie had always felt that she was missing out on a lot of fun because of her clumsiness on the dance floor. She had been putting off taking lessons, but she finally took the bull by the horns and went to a professional dance studio for help. She was tired of feeling left out and acted decisively to correct the situation.
Horse of a different color.
Quite a different matter. Eric likes to play jokes on his friends, but he makes sure that nobody is hurt by any of his pranks. A prank that hurts someone is a horse of a different color. Being playful is one thing, but hurting someone by one's prank is quite a different matter.
Let the cat out of the bag.
Inform beforehand. Bob was going to retire from teaching in June, and the foreign language department was planning on presenting him with some luggage at his retirement dinner. He wasn't supposed to know about it, but someone let the cat out of the bag. At the dinner, Bob acted surprised, even though someone had told him what he was getting before the official presentation.
For the birds.
Uninteresting and meaningless. They went to a poetry reading, but they got bored and restless. As far as they were concerned, it was for the birds. They left during an intermission because they found the reading totally uninteresting and meaningless.
Straight from the horse's mouth.
From a reliable source.
How did you find out that Jill was engaged?
I got the information from a very reliable source.
You mean Jill told you so herself?
That's right. I got it straight from the horse's mouth.
Horse around.
Play around. Did you hear about Dave's back injury?
No. How did he get hurt?
Well, after the coach left the gym, he decided to stay and horse around on the parallel bars. He somehow lost his grip and fell on his back.
That's too bad. But he shouldn't have been aimlessly playing around on the equipment without proper supervision.
Cat got your tongue?
Can't talk? Come on, Connie. Tell us what you think about our little ride down the rapids yesterday.
Well,
Wasn't it exciting?
What's the matter? Cat got your tongue?
If you must know, I'm keeping quiet because I was scared out of my wits.